Hey everybody, it's a video from Jtag Galore on TTG and Zen and Jtag on Game Sheets. Just a quick video showing some new products that are going to be added to my shop soon. Well, as of today. We've got the window mod. You can add this to your Jtag for £10. I've also got some green, very green tinted plexiglass. So that is also going to be an option. You can either have clear or a green tint. Also, we've got the clear DVD case lid, which is £7, and the clear wind tunnel, which is also £7. You'll struggle to find these anywhere in the UK, so I'm your best bet. Also, we've got some new and improved LEDs, which come with a remote control. That's right, you can control them via the remote control. You can change the colour. There are 8 colours including white. Don't think you can count white as a colour. But and you can also have it set to automatic, so rather than changing the colours yourself, it will change them for you. Obviously this will be a bit better in the dark, and I've got my flash on my camera, so and you can change it to strobe, so you can have a little disco in your front room or your bedroom, and again it will just cycle through all the colours. And we've also got fade, where it'll fade in and out. And I'm also going to be doing the Ring of Light mods. This one is multicoloured, but you can choose from all those 4 colours. You've got red, green, blue, orange, white, and there's also purple. So there's 6 colours altogether. I think the white in the middle is quite nice. It's a little bit different. Okay, so there you have it. Window case on your Jtag or on your Flash console or retail Xbox is £10. If you actually buy in the case, it is £20. So if you just want to buy the case to whack on your own console, it's £20. The clear DVD case lid, £7. Clear wind tunnel, £7. And these LEDs with the remote control for £20. Okay, that's a bargain, folks. Alright, okay, Jtag Galore on TTG, Zen and Jtag on Game Sheets. Enjoy.